Okay, since we had the throttle body disconnected, we have to do the throttle valve close position. This is essentially a throttle body replacement, so we're going to do the idle air volume relearn procedure. And to do that, we have to have good battery voltage. We do. Engine coolant or normal operating temperature. That's good, that's good, that's good, that's good. We just went for a 10-minute drive. Then we have to do the accelerator pedal release position procedure, which is pretty easy. Make sure the accelerator pedal is fully released. Turn the ignition to on and wait 2 seconds. Okay, we're already on, so let's turn it off. Turn ignition to on and wait 2 seconds. 1, 2, off in 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3. On for 2 seconds. 1, 2. Off and wait 10 seconds. Back to the idle air volume relearn. So we just did 14. So we can go to 15. Throttle valve close position relearn. Okay, accelerator pedal is released, ignition switch on. Ignition switch off for 10 seconds. Okay, and we heard the throttle body close, so that's done. Alright, now here's the fun part. It's hard to know whether you're doing this properly, so we'll go through it. You could just, if you want, you can pause the video, copy, paste, whatever you want on this. Okay, verify that the accelerator pedal is fully released. Ignition switch on for 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait 7 seconds. And hold for 20 seconds. Start the engine and idle for 20 seconds. So verify the idle speed is good. We're good. Idle speed is good. I'm gonna data log on UPREV to check the timing. So we need 10 to 20 degrees on the timing. Yeah, we're in range there. Okay, we're gonna rev up the engine 2 or 3 times. Sounds good. So I think we're good to go. Everything seems to be in spec, except our AF is a little lean. So I think we're gonna have to correct that with tuning. Actually, it comes down while we're Alright, we'll contact RB and see if he wants to adjust the tuning.